Thanksgiving 1923, newly constructed Alumni Gym was dedicated. Now, a little over 95 years later, I have the honor to preside over rededicating the completely renovated Alumni Gym. Last April, I announced that we were going to do this, and this is just the first phase of a comprehensive renovation, upgrade, and some new construction for athletics and student wellness space here on campus. This particular project, which incorporated also constructing a new locker room for the baseball team, cost about $3.9 million. What did we actually do? We gutted the building down to the structure and rebuilt it. This is an entirely new floor. Those are historical rafters. They were cleaned. There was also some structural reinforcement put there to make sure that the building lasts at least another 95 years. For those of you that had been in here before, we added new space. Where those pillars are is where the wall used to be. So if the room feels larger, it's because it is. This is the third top to bottom renovation that the college has completed in the last 4 years, beginning with Anderson Hall, then Pearson's Hall, and now this building. We've really continued to invest in the physical infrastructure for our students in the same way we continue to invest in the academic infrastructure and co-curricular infrastructure. I'm proud of that.